Welcome, taxpayer. This video provides guidance on completing the travel allowance section of the income tax return ITR 12. It addresses the correct procedures for claiming travel deduction and public transport travel expenses for tax purposes. A travel allowance is an allowance or advance provided by an employer to cover business travel expenses incurred while using a private vehicle. Travel between an employee's home and their regular place of work is classified as private travel and is not eligible for claims. The golden rule for claiming a travel deduction is to keep a detailed logbook. Your logbook must include date of travel, kilometers traveled, travel details with the reasons for traveling, odometer readings on specific dates. If you do not have a logbook, you will not be able to claim a deduction for business travel. You can calculate your travel deduction using either the SARS prescribed rate per kilometer or actual costs. What is the fixed cost rate? If you have not kept records of your actual expenses, SARS will programmatically apply the prescribed cost table to calculate your travel claim. This method is suitable when a travel allowance is paid regularly and the taxpayer maintains a valid logbook. Using the actual cost method requires keeping detailed records of all vehicle expenses, fuel, maintenance, repairs, insurance, license fees, depreciation, and finance charges, and maintaining a logbook. To claim this travel deduction, your IRP5 certificate must include code 3701 or 3702. When completing your income tax return ITR 12, you'll see a question about your travel allowance on the form wizard. The question is marked with an X if you want to claim a tax deduction if you kept a logbook. Then type how many vehicles should be used in this calculation. Type the number of vehicles you have used to travel from 1st March of the previous year to end of February, the tax year being submitted. After selecting a travel option in the wizard, respond to the question. Did you use a logbook to determine your business kilometers traveled? By selecting yes, all required information should be entered as indicated on the form, including selecting the lease agreement or purchase agreement from the drop-down list and details of kilometers traveled with their respective start and end dates. Claims must be supported by a logbook, which is to be retained in case SARS requests it. The following minimum information regarding business kilometers traveled should be provided. To summarize, always keep a meticulous logbook of all business travel. Be prepared to answer relevant questions on your ITR 12 return without errors. Keep all supporting documents for 5 years as SARS may request them. For more detailed information, including updated cost tables and the official SARS e-logbook, please visit the SARS website or contact their call center. Don't let your travel allowance go unclaimed. Take control of your taxes. SARS, at your service.